Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the goal to the Stream Manager section on the Twitch website, but first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the website and click on this profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen, and after that tap on channel, which is the first option. Then you should scroll down and tap on customize channel on the right side of the screen, and then tap on Stream Manager in this left side column, and after that you should go to this quick actions section on the right side and tap on manage goals marked with this star icon. So here you can add the description of your goal, type it in, then customize the progress bar. As you go back you can see the preview and tap on the start goal button down below. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.